I found that using the silicone mat helps me load the clips into my fingers real easy. Since it flexes, it allows you to do this little push maneuver. But when I first started assembling these tracks, it was not the easiest, but as you get going with it, and it gets a lot easier and a lot quicker. These tracks are absolutely beautiful. The parts themselves are just immaculate. Really beautiful parts. These are from Thomas at RC Construction Projects, and he did a really beautiful job. I also noticed that these tracks are a little bit wider than the stock ones, so there's that too. There's going to be a little bit more tractive force. But these things are just really beautiful. Now we're coming on down on these suckers. Got plenty of clips. He includes extra clips, extra shafts. So there's plenty to replace the ones that go flying, because inevitably every once in a while one of these little clips goes flying. So I load it with like that in my finger. Clip that one on. It's in place. Then I put the link in. I hold it in my hand like this. I grab my other clip and I lay it just like that. And then clip it. And I just keep doing that over and over and over again. I was really fighting picking these clips up until I put on this silicone mat, and all of a sudden my whole world just changed. Just like I said, you can just, the way the mat flexes, you can pick them up really easily. The fit on these is amazing. The finish is amazing. They're so tight. They fit together so tight. You can tell they're just going to last for a long time. Like I said, when you start, it kind of takes a little time to get your groove going, but once you get your groove going, then things really pick up. So we've almost got both of these assembled. I make sections and then I join sections together. I found that my fingers get tired. My little fingers, if I do that. And generally I would like assemble all the shafts. Like generally I would do this process all at one time and then assemble them to the links all in another process, but I found that my fingers just got too tired, so I alternate. I put a clip on pin, put a pin in the link. Otherwise my little fingers get too tired. Can't wait to get these things installed and start running with them. My stock tracks have been backing out since day one, as is with everybody. So, yeah, these tracks are just absolutely beautiful. Anybody that has a DXR2 Dozer, get these tracks. Like I said, the fit and the finish is just out of this world. If anybody's seen the machines that Thomas has designed and wishes they could own one of his machines, well, owning these tracks makes me feel like I own a little piece of one of his beautiful, beautiful machines. So there you go. That's what they look like. That's how they go together. Hope you enjoyed taking a look.